America is facing a new and dangerous drug threat. It's called Xylazine, a powerful animal tranquilizer now being mixed with fentanyl and sold on the streets. It doesn't respond to Narcan, it rots human flesh, and it's spreading fast. What is Xylazine? Xylazine is a non-opioid sedative used by veterinarians to sedate large animals like horses. But drug traffickers are mixing it with fentanyl to create a more potent, longer-lasting high. The result? A cocktail so deadly, the DEA calls it the deadliest drug threat our country has ever faced. Where it's coming from? Authorities say most of the xylazine-laced fentanyl is entering the U.S. from Mexico, often through existing cartel routes. Researchers at the University of California, San Diego confirmed xylazine's presence along the U.S.-Mexico border, especially in Tijuana. Once inside the U.S., it spreads through major cities, Philadelphia, Chicago, New York, and now smaller towns across the Midwest. Why it's so dangerous? Xylazine isn't an opioid, so Narcan can't reverse its effects. Overdoses become harder to treat. On top of that, xylazine causes severe skin ulcers and infections. People using it often wake up with wounds that refuse to heal. And in extreme cases, doctors amputate limbs to save lives. Law enforcement response. Federal agents are cracking down. In March 2025, DEA agents in Connecticut seized over 5 kilograms of fentanyl and 300 grams of xylazine from a single drug house. In Philadelphia, 7 people were arrested last fall in a raid linked to a xylazine-fueled trafficking ring. The White House officially labeled xylazine an emerging threat in 2023. This is more than just a new street drug. It's a public health crisis and a law enforcement nightmare. The DEA says over 20% of fentanyl seizures now contain xylazine. The FDA, CDC, and state governments are scrambling to regulate it, test for it, and stop it from spreading further. Experts warn, if we don't act now, xylazine could turn America's opioid crisis into something far worse. A drug with no antidote, and a problem with no easy solution.